You deal with frizzy hair like I do, then you know the struggle is real when it comes to trying to tame the frizz in your hair. So today's video is all about a hairspray that is supposed to help with taming your frizz. I recently discovered this. This is from the brand NuMe. This is their Clout Control Anti-Frizz Spray, and huge shout out and thank you to NuMe for partnering with me on this video. Today I'm going to be telling you guys all about how to use this, all of the claims about this, what it's supposed to do. I'm also going to show you before and after pictures so that you can see the product in action and see the results that this can give, and to give you a realistic expectation of what an anti-frizz spray like this one can do for your hair if you have a frizzy hair. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So let's start off with all of the details about this hairspray. This is supposed to be good for all hair types. It's supposed to be your weapon against humidity and frizz, and it's also supposed to enhance the shine of your hair at the same time of helping to tame the frizz. It's supposed to give you sleek and smooth strands to really just smooth out your hair, make it look a lot more manageable and not so crazy frizzy, because my hair can personally look really frizzy, I feel like, no matter what I do. And I also find that I really have not found many anti-frizz products or just hair products in general that actually do help to tame my frizz a little bit. And I'm gonna be completely honest here, completely taming my frizz and getting rid of it completely, it's pretty much impossible. I just have frizzy hair, and honestly I feel like a lot of people can probably relate to that. Yes, products can help tame the frizz, though I haven't really found many that I really like, except for, spoiler alert, this one I do find that does help to tame my frizz, but really nothing completely gets rid of frizzy hair, at least for me. However, in the before and after pictures, you are going to see the difference that this can make, because it definitely does make a difference. But I just want to give you that realistic expectation that, you know, your hair might not be completely frizz free, like completely. And for me personally, it's just because I feel like partly because I have layers, and I feel like over time it just, maybe I get like some dead ends and that can cause it to look a little bit frizzy. And also because I have bleached my hair in the past, you know, that also can contribute to your hair being frizzy depending on what hair treatments you do. So just kind of putting that out there. But again, let's get back into this hairspray. So this is an anti-frizz shield that nourishes and also hydrates your hair texture, and also repels natural pollutants and blocks humidity. Now let's talk about the key ingredients in this hairspray. This has 18 amino acids that are supposed to help with strengthening your hair fibers and improving elasticity. This also has panthenol, which helps to deeply hydrate and also condition your hair so that it feels soft and manageable without actually weighing your hair down. Sometimes I find that certain hairsprays can really make my hair feel weighed down and it ends up just looking like heavy, but this one doesn't do that. This one is very lightweight and it doesn't weigh your hair down. This also has arginine in here, which is an essential amino acid that enhances blood circulation to the scalp, promoting healthier hair growth and strengthening the hair shaft. This also does have coconut oil in here, but I don't want that ingredient to freak you out. I know when it comes to skincare, you don't really want to put coconut oil all over your face because that is a comedogenic ingredient that can cause breakouts. But in a hair care product like this, it's actually a good ingredient in here, and also they don't use a lot of coconut oil in here, so you don't have to worry about it being heavy. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids. It deeply moisturizes and nourishes the hair and adds a natural shine. But again, like I said, don't let that ingredient freak you out because this doesn't weigh your hair down. Again, this still just feels very lightweight on the hair, and it doesn't make your hair feel heavy. It doesn't weigh your hair down. This also includes vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that protects the hair from environmental damage while also providing moisture and shine to your hair. And then the last key ingredient that I want to mention is the UV filter. This shields the hair from harmful effects of UV rays. It prevents color fading and helps you maintain the vibrancy of your hair. Let's talk about the smell of this. So the smell is really nice. I really don't know exactly how to describe the smell, but it kind of smells like a perfume in a way that it's really nice going onto your hair. So it's going to make your hair smell really nice, but it's not overpowering to the point where it's like straight up like a perfume, but it kind of does smell like a perfume when you first apply it to your hair, which is really nice. It smells really good. All right, so now let's get into how exactly to use this. It's really simple to use. The first thing that you're going to do is you're just going to shampoo and condition your hair like normal. So here is my hair hair after getting out of the shower and I have towel dried it. I'm just brushing through my hair a little bit. You do want to make sure that you towel dry your hair, and after you towel dry your hair, then you can start sectioning your hair. You just want to spray the entire area. So here is me sectioning my hair and then spraying the area. And then after that, I just brush and distribute the product evenly. And then you want to blow dry your hair, and blow drying your hair is supposed to activate the product. And then they say to use this every 3 to 4 washes. So here's a little clip of me blow drying my hair after my hair was mostly dry, but you do want to make sure that you blow dry your hair because that is supposed to activate the product. Normally, I honestly don't blow dry my hair a lot in general, and I find that sometimes blow drying my hair actually does make my hair frizzier. However, with using this spray with it, I definitely do notice a difference when I use this spray. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the before and after. So here is the before. Here's the front of my hair, and then here is the back of my hair. As you can see, my hair is quite frizzy. Here's another before clip. My hair is very, very frizzy. And then here is the after. Here is the front of my hair after, and here is the back of my hair after. And then here is a side-by-side of the before and after. As you can tell, it actually makes a pretty big difference. Like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, my frizz isn't just gonna completely go away, but this definitely makes a pretty obvious difference. I was actually kind of surprised to see how obvious the difference was when I looked at the before and after videos, because it's a pretty drastic difference. My hair was just so frizzy before, and yes, while my hair still looks a bit frizzy, you can definitely tell that this does help to tame the frizz of my hair a lot and make it look a lot less kind of crazy and just all over the place. So I would definitely say that this works, and it definitely helps to tame frizz. They also say this is supposed to help with taming frizz in humidity. Now it is quite humid outside, and I did go outside before I filmed the after clips. So even with going outside, it definitely still looked better in the after clips. So I definitely think it lives up to the claims of it helping to tame frizz. In addition to it helping to tame frizz, other things that I really like about it and that I noticed that this helped to do is that it also adds a shine to my hair. I feel like my hair just looks a lot kind of more vibrant and a little bit more glossy after I use it, which is a nice added touch. I also really love the smell of it. It's a very pleasant smell. It kind of smells like a perfume, so I feel like it's kind of like a hair perfume and anti-frizz spray in one. I also feel like it definitely does help to nourish my hair and kind of moisturize my hair. My hair just feels a lot more silky, and it just is moisturized, I feel like, and it looks nourished without it looking like oily or heavy. I like that it nourishes my hair without it making my hair look greasy. I also really like that they include a UV filter in here to protect your hair against UV rays, so that's a nice added touch. And I also like that they include vitamin E in the hairspray to help with protecting your hair against environmental damage. I haven't found many things at all to help with taming my frizz that actually work, but this I'm pleasantly surprised by. I really do feel like I can notice a difference with it. Again, looking at the before and after clips, I can just really see a difference here. When I'm looking in person, I might look in the mirror and say, okay, my hair still looks frizzy, but the difference is still there, and it definitely still helps to tame the frizz. Don't have unrealistic expectations. I feel like no product is gonna like completely get rid of your frizz, but I definitely do think that this helps. So if you are looking for a hairspray to help with taming frizz, I definitely think that this is worth checking out. It is also a pretty affordable hairspray. You get 2.02 fluid ounces, so you get a good amount of product, and on their website right now it looks like it is $19. This is going to last you quite a while. If you are interested in checking it out, I will have it listed and linked in the description box below. I will also have a discount for you guys if you do want to give this a try. I will have that in the description box below. If you have any questions about this hairspray, definitely let me know in the comment section below. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see even more content from me in the future and you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you tune in for my next video.